third round victory over Timothy Bradley and Pacquiao Bradley #2. I don't know how you threw or landed 900 punches and threw only 800 punches. I have no idea what to say right now. How did that happen, Manny?
Well, I just want to say thank you to my fans and my friends and everybody out there. Everybody, thank you so much. This is not for the Lord. I won't be able to win this fight. I just want to thank everybody. You know, Jinky, my wife, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manny. We appreciate that. Thank you too for another fight. Manny, again, you landed 900 punches and only threw 800. How did that happen, Manny?
Well, my legs were cramping, and I tried to get a massage, but you know, I just want to thank my fans, my friends. Thank the Lord. Without Him, nothing's possible. Everybody in the Philippines, thank you so much for your support. Thank you.
But Manny, you're just not going to answer this question, Manny. How did you land 900 punches by throwing 800?
My hands were cramping too. I just want to thank everybody. You know, everybody is just supporting me. Just thank you so much. Bob Arum, Top Rank Production, you know, for the opportunity. I just, you know, for to be here is everything to me. It's a blessing, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Manny.